Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The second engineer, also known as the first assistant engineer, is the direct right hand of the chief engineer and the operational manager of the ship's entire engine room. If the chief engineer is the architect of the ship's power, then the second engineer is the foreman, ensuring that every mechanical and electrical system runs flawlessly, day in and day out. This role is a demanding blend of hands-on engineering supervision and meticulous planning. The second engineer's primary responsibility is the daily management of all machinery maintenance and repairs. They are the ones who translate the chief engineer's grand strategy into actionable tasks for the third and fourth engineers, the electrotechnical officer, and the engine ratings. They oversee the regular inspection and servicing of the main engine, auxiliary engines, boilers, purifiers, and a myriad of pumps and compressors. A major part of their day involves managing the engine room's planned maintenance system. This means scheduling preventative maintenance, checking that spare parts are available, and ensuring that every piece of machinery is receiving the attention it needs to prevent breakdowns. They are also responsible for the correct operation and monitoring of the main propulsion plant. This includes the vital task of taking regular readings of temperatures, pressures, and fluid levels. This requires a sharp eye for detail and the ability to detect potential problems before they escalate into major failures. Fuel oil and lubricating oil management also falls under the second engineer's purview. They supervise the transfer of fuel oil from the ship's bunkers to the daily service tanks and ensure that the purifiers are correctly operating to clean the fuel before it enters the engines. During port calls, the second engineer is often found coordinating with shoreside technicians and overseeing the bunkering operations, where thousands of tons of fuel are transferred to the ship. Safety in the engine room is paramount, and the second engineer enforces strict safety protocols. They lead by example, ensuring that all hot work permits are properly issued and that confined space entry procedures are rigorously followed. They also play a crucial role in emergency situations like engine room fires or blackouts, guiding the junior engineers in restoring power and containing damage. To reach this rank, an engineer must possess years of sea time, extensive practical experience, and a deep understanding of every system in the engine room. The second engineer is a mentor to junior officers, passing down invaluable knowledge and technical skills. They are in a constant state of readiness to take over from the chief engineer and are often the ones on watch during the busiest periods of maneuvering the vessel in and out of port. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.